This is one of the most incredible vintage wedding dress restorations I've ever seen. Our customer brought in her mother's dress that she handmade in 1950, and sadly, the dress had severe oxidation, stains, and insect damage. But we are more than ready to take on the challenge. First things first, all the metal has to be removed so that we can clean it properly. The thread on this dress is rotten and falling apart, so Bill put some tacks in to ensure that it can make it through the cleaning process, and then it's on to the sodium perborate bath. Now, sodium perborate is basically magic. It's our number one go-to when items have severe oxidation. As you can see here, the perborate gets straight to work and is completely used up within minutes. So, we have to make another bath, but this time, the dress gets to soak for a few hours. You can really see the difference in the color, but the perborate was used up once again, and this dress needed a third soak. But this time, we let it soak overnight. The next day, the color is perfect, and the dress is moved to our custom-built wet washer and is run on the hand wash cycle, which is actually more gentle than hand washing itself. Now, the dress is hung to dry overnight. The color is incredible and all the stains are gone. The only thing is, the rotten thread continued to fall apart. So our incredible seamstress Mary took on the challenge of putting this beauty back together and making it wearable again, because our customer's granddaughter wants to be able to wear this dress in honor of her great-grandmother. Thankfully, it came out amazing, and the before and after is incredible. But now, it's on to the last step, pressing. Bill mists the fabric and begins hand ironing. This process is time-consuming, but well worth the wait. He works slowly his way around the collar and then the bust. He moves on to the body of the dress, continuing the same process. Here is where you can see the insect damage really well, but luckily, the damage is small and the beauty of this dress far surpasses the little imperfections of time. And now it's finally finished. This incredible gem, handmade 75 years ago, will continue to live on through her great-grandchildren.